Soda PDF enthusiasts. Today we'll guide you through the process of compressing your PDF files for optimal size and efficiency. Let's dive in. To effortlessly reduce the file size of your PDF, follow these straightforward steps. Click on Create and Convert and choose Compress. You can decide how much you want to compress your file. Keep in mind that compression happens by lowering the quality of the graphical parts of your PDF. Choose the level of compression. You'll see an estimate for your new file size. You're now ready to reduce the file size of your PDF. Click on Reduce File Size. The last thing to do is to choose where to save the compressed copy of your PDF. Choose a save location on your computer. Click Save. The new compressed PDF will be saved to that location. The file will also open in Soda PDF ready for you to review. And there you have it. Easily compress your PDF with Soda PDF. Experience the efficiency and space-saving benefits of our compression feature today. Visit our website to download Soda PDF and give it a try. Happy compressing! If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider sharing it with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials.